20th Century Fox Bloopers 83. I found a model. Why is 20th Century Fox logo underwater and in SpongeBob version? SpongeBob is not even owned by 20th Century Fox. It's owned by Viacom, in which Viacom owns Paramount. Well, I thought you'd like this one because it's so modern. Didn't we see other videos that they can't say modern then? Well, in this studio we can because nothing bad happens. Ow. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo in daytime? Because it's so beautiful. Ha 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 ha. What did I say? You didn't say anything. Why does it say 20th Century CTS? Because it's better than 20th Century Fox. No, it is not. Yes, it is. No, yes, 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 no! Yeah, whenever we get to arguments, it causes an explosion. Cut. Why did it say Bojing Parkin? And then why did it say 20th Century Fox? Because that's how you want it, right? No, the YouTube name on there. Man, I only want 20th Century Fox, and I want it to be live action. Fine. Cut. Why did it get changed to 20th Century Studios? Because it's so fun. This will look live action, right? Almost. It needs to be completely live action. Ugh! Even almost live action is not good enough. Well, not in this studio. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo completely dark? Because I'm really, really happy that they made it. Well, too bad. I want it regular. Okay, this is how I want it. Bam! Whoa, that's cool. So can you please get that right? Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo in key major? Because it's so cool. No, it's not cool. It's so dumb and so totally scary. You just like to be scared, that's all. This is your last chance. No! Yes! You can't change it. Thank you really much. You're welcome. Now get out before I get you. No.